Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix all videos saying video unavailable on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes we can try. Fix number one is to go to Google and type in is YouTube down checker, and just to go to any one of these top results and now click into it. If there's any outages or if it's down, it's going to show you here. So basically what users are saying, or what I've found as well, wait 30 to 60 minutes to try and then try again. Now also, fix number two is turn off any VPNs, proxy or ad blockers. So I'm on Google Chrome, so if I'm running I've got a VPN here, so if I click onto it, free VPN, so if I'm running any VPNs or anything, just go ahead and disable them for the meantime. Fix number three is to sign out and back into your Google account. So go ahead and go to YouTube, sign out of your account, and then sign back in. Now, fix number four is to clear YouTube cache and cooking. So what we need to do is open up Google Chrome and then go to this URL. So Chrome settings, clear browser data, and then hit enter. So basically we can, depending how long that glitch has been happening for, if the video has been unavailable for the last hour, go ahead and do last hour, 24 hours, or you can do it all time. So you can go ahead and clear your, basically you want to do your cookies and other site data and cached image and files, and go ahead and clear delete data. If you still got issues, just go ahead and make sure it is set to all time and then delete data as well. Now the next fix we can try is update the YouTube app or your browser. So to do that, go ahead and click into settings. So you want to come into settings, so click on the three dots, go to settings. On the left hand side, we want to go ahead and click on about Chrome. And now if it says Chrome is up to date, you've got the latest version, but if it says update, go ahead and update Google Chrome.